이번 주에는 뭐 할까 조금 고민을 하다가 아이들과 같이 사격을 다녀오기로 결정을 하였습니다. 아이들 나이가 사격이 가능할까 좀 확인을 해보았는데요. 적어도 텍사스는 8살부터 사격이 가능하다고 하네요. 그래서 제가 공유드리고 싶은 내용은 어린 나이의 아이들에게 어떻게 안전교육을 진행하고 있는지, 안전장치는 마련되어 있는지, 그리고 마지막으로 아이들의 반응은 어떤지에 대해서 여러분들과 공유하는 시간이 되었으면 좋겠습니다. 그럼 저는 사격을 다녀오도록 하겠습니다. 빵이야 빵이야 빵이야. 얘기하나? 뭐 얘기하죠?
점수로?
점수. 뭐 얘기할까? 얘기? 짜장면 하나가 아니고
아니죠.
가족 다? 가족 포함? 내가 사줘야 될 수 있겠네.
저도 해보세요.
나는 이 피스톨 한 번도 써본 적이 없어. 지금 군대에서 쏜 거는 라이플이라. 얘들아 가자.
So there's four main rules when you're shooting a gun. There's four rules you really have to follow. If you break any of these rules, something bad can happen. If you don't, first one is never point the gun at anything you're not willing to destroy. The next one is keep your finger off the trigger until you're ready to fire. The next one is guns are always loaded even if they're not. So the fourth one is really, hopefully don't have to worry about here, which is know what your target is and what's beyond it. What that means is if you're shooting on someone's land, like outside, you want to make sure you want to know what you're shooting at, and if anything is in front or behind that target, because you don't want your bullet to go through your target and through something important. Okay, so. Close my light. No joke here. You have to keep, remember, finger off the trigger until you're ready to fire. Gun stays downrange at all times. Don't have it sideways just like that or back at you. When you're done shooting, leave the slide lock back. Go ahead and put the gun down. Whenever you're done with the magazine, there's a button right here. Just press that button, magazine will fall down, put the gun down, okay? Alright, the gun is live now. Go ahead and take this hand, we're gonna go straight finger just like this. And take this hand, we're gonna wrap your fingers around just like that. You're gonna bring the gun up to your eyes, a nice tight grip, okay? You see that green dot right there?
Yeah.
You're gonna put that green dot in the middle of that blacked out U. I want you to aim for the middle 10, okay? Whenever you're ready, slowly squeeze that, very slowly. Look at that. Okay, so look. So slide lock. Yeah, I got it. There you go. Lock back. Go ahead and finger off the trigger. We're gonna rotate the gun. Oh, so. Yep. Push that button right there. Yep. And the magazine should fall down if you take. There you go. And then go ahead and put the gun down. Look at that. That was directly where I wanted.
Okay, next.
Who wants to go next? This is a live ammunition. I'm gonna load the first round for you. This gun is loaded now. So let me see your right hand. We're gonna go just like that. We're gonna straight finger just like that. Take your left hand. You're going to have grip just like this, just like this. Have this finger down just like that, and then a nice tight grip, okay? Go ahead and bring the gun up to your eyes. You see that green dot right there? Just put that green dot in that blacked out U. Make sure it's flush with the top. Aim for the number 10 again, okay? Alrighty. So go ahead and rotate the gun. Go ahead and push that button right there. Yep. And the magazine should fall down. And then finger off the trigger. There you go. There, I got it. I got it.
잘 봐.
So this gun is loaded now. You can see your right hand. Alrighty. So straight finger. Go ahead and push that button right there. Go ahead and rotate the gun over. And then push that button right there. Good, good, good. And then go ahead and Finger straight.
5발 먼저 로딩하고 응. 홈.
하나도 안 맞아.
어?
하나도 안 맞은 거 같아.
맞았어. 이것도 나갔고 얘는 몇 점이야? 10점. 그죠?
10점, 9점, 8점, 7점. 이거는 빵.
빵. 10점은 없고
네.
9점, 8점.
9점, 8점.
오케이.
17.
대박?
완전 장난 아닌데?
오, 자.
역시 군대를 가져와야 돼.
오, 5점 나왔어. 야, 9점, 9점, 88, 10. 오케이. 그러면은 이게 이렇게 들어가잖아. 그럼 얘가 이렇게 들어가.
아, 나 슬라이드 돼. push it. 그렇죠. 2.
왜? 왜?
I was scared. I want to see.
하나. 와우. 와우, you got 10. 잘 봐. 이게 이렇게 돼 있잖아. 그지? 그러면 블렛이 이렇게 들어가지. 그지? 처음에 거는 이렇게 들어가. 그냥 it's easy. 근데 세컨은 you push in.
2개만 써? 2개만.
2개? 그 다음에 이제 데뷔가 해봐. 이렇게 잡고.
한 발 더 남았어. 오케이. 그 다음에 옆으로.
오.
잘했어, 잘했어.
I shoot something.
잘했어, 잘했어.
I shoot something.
15야드.
4발?
에?
4발?
4발.
네.
이야, 8, 8, 7.
화이팅!
오.
스나이퍼.
예?
스나이퍼.
내가요? 아야.
스나이퍼.
오.
스나이퍼.
야, 뭐지?
스나이퍼, 스나이퍼.
Wow, one.
스나이퍼.
내가? 오. 오. 다 일로 들어가. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다, 여, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉 개. 와, 다 여기네?
제가 할게요.
와.
제노님 덕분에
아니야, 황프로님 덕분에 즐거웠어.
Before I thought, wow, that would be so cool. Just make sure not to shoot anyone.
어?
And then after, I'm just like, that's really, really loud. It's annoying.
The sound is crazy, right?
Yeah.
And scary too, right? How about you, Noah?
I thought it might be cool,
어,
but now
어.
I feel a deep appreciation for anybody who fights for our country.
Oh, really?
I feel, well, I already did that, but like, I don't know, I feel bad for their ears.
똑같아? 사격하기 전에는 you felt maybe it was cool? 근데 사격하고 난 다음에는
No, it's still cool.
it's still cool?
Yeah.
아, 오케이. 오케이. Awesome. 오케이. 사격 후에 짜장면을 먹겠습니다. 당연히 황프로님이 사셨고요. 맛있는 탕수육과 황프로님은 넋을 잃으셨네요. 쟁반 짜장과 해물 볶음면까지 맛있게 먹었습니다. 내용이 재미있으셨으면
구독, 좋아요, 알림 설정.